Hi everyone, this is Greg from Trading College with your free market update. So yesterday we were looking at a specific market called no lead gasoline, and this is a screenshot from our live trading room, and you can see that just after 12 I sent an alert to say that there was a momentum trigger confirmed at 12. And then around 5 p.m. in the afternoon, we have had 300 pips at that point in time since the alert from 12 o'clock that afternoon. And here you can see one of the students who's with us at Trading College also participating and saying, great alert, no lead gasoline, 300 pips so far. So let's have a look and see what was happening with the charts. So from a technical point of view, if we were looking at from the daily time frame, we are in a downtrend. So we have a high, a low, a new high which is lower. We've had pro trading system red since then. We started moving below moving averages, and then we got to this double bottom area here. So if we look from our 1 hour time frame perspective, this is this area that we saw there, and that is our double bottom, and then it pushed back up into resistance, which is above price. But momentum is down, and now all that we're doing is we're waiting for the next momentum trigger on the 60-minute time frame, and it stays flat for a while. It looks like it wants to push up, and then we get our sell signal at 12 p.m. and that was the one that I said in the live trading room. And now we're getting ready to go and look for a continuation in this move to the downside. So we have room to move down, and if you took part in that signal there, and we have enabled our pro trading system trailing stop feature, you would have stayed in this trade all the way down up to this point right now. And in terms of profit, let's have a look and see how much profit it has been since the alert. So that was at 12, which is that candlestick there. So from there up to this point now, it is 670 pips in profit. And to the trailing stop feature, if we are going to continue trailing that stop, then since the alert we would have locked in 546 pips in profit. So just shows you really simple way to trade. Sorry, just get rid of that. And now we are coming into supporting areas, which means we want to lock in as much profit as possible, because we are coming into support. So just shows you great strategy, great way of trading, easy to follow process. And if you would like to learn more about the strategy, more about how we trade at Trading College, and if you want to be part of these type of alerts that we sent in the live trading room, then please come along to our Learn to Trade Live. It is an event that we hold once a month. The next one is going to be in Sheffield. So if you go on to tradingcollege.co.uk, you hover over the courses tab and you click on Learn to Trade Live, it will redirect you to this page. You scroll down to the bottom, you will see that the next one is going to be on the 15th of June. We are going to Sheffield, as I mentioned. We start at 9:30 in the morning, going straight through to 5 p.m. in the afternoon. We require a £50 deposit, but if you stay towards the end of the day and finish the course, then we will refund that money to you the following week, which means it is a day completely free. So what do you get on the day? We talk about all things trading. We talk about beginner to intermediate topics where we cover brokerages, tax-free profits if you're a resident in the UK, trading from home, how to generate a primary or a secondary income, because not all people are the same. And then we have the different strategies that we will teach you on the day as well. So we cover the morning move strategy, where we aim to make our day's money before we go to work and before other people go to work as well. So we could be finished making some money before other people even start earning money. Then we have the momentum trigger, which is the one that I've shown you in this video, where we aim to make big profits, so anything between 100 and 1,000 pips. As we've seen in this market, has been absolutely great. 670 pips profit and counting. Trend Predictor, which has been a favorite with a lot of our students, and then the Pro Trading System, which is our flagship swing trading system, which is absolutely phenomenal. And if we use our Pro Trading System in conjunction with our intraday strategies, they are really powerful combinations. So it is also CPD accredited, which means that if you want to get your CPD certificate, we will be more than happy to provide that to you. So just a friendly reminder, 15th of June coming to Sheffield, and it's going to be a day filled with education. If you can't make that one, the following one will be on the 13th of July, where we are back in London. Always good to meet new people, new traders, exchange some ideas, and of course talk about something that we are all passionate about, which is trading. So really hope you enjoyed this video, and I will speak again soon. Bye.